Oh, oh, hello. Oh, thanks for dropping in. Oh, I have been to the basement. You know what? I'm going to switch this. Excuse me. I like this light, but this cord is getting in the way. There we go. I have been to the basement. I didn't find a whole lot of Commodore stuff at all. I found this thing, which I know what it is. It's supposed to just sit in the car. You can put things in it. Maybe it's supposed to be a garbage can. It's got a... Oh, it's made by Rubbermaid. It has a little thing in the back where it can maybe slide down on something. Anyway, I'll put that... I'll wash it and I'll perhaps stick it in the car. Of course, what does anybody need? But another Santa hat. And there's other things here that, from what I remember, they kind of outlawed these things. It's a barbecue cleaner. But you see, with these little things on here, these things can come off, and if you're not careful, they can end up getting left on the grill, and somebody eats them, and then they've got this basically metal thing inside them. So I will have to think, well, if I'm going to use this, I will be very careful. I probably will not. And of course, I find things. This is magical. It's a plug. It is. And I may, depending on some of the pet things, I may need to put a new plug onto some of them. So that's not a bad thing. You know what? Maybe I'll just put stuff like that in here. Oh, look. Here's another one. Heavy duty. And here's another one, a little shorter, but still quite dandy. Now here's something. Just a second. These are nerd material. These are magical things you can put on your eyeglasses to affix them to your head somehow, or help make sure they don't fall off. Why are they all stuck together? Not that they haven't been in there forever. Oh, there is. Oh, there's a twist tie. Okay, so then the twist tie comes, and then basically you get glasses and you connect them on here. Now I thought I think I had some glasses around here. Oh, no, not there. I must put them outside somewhere. Oh, sorry. They are on the air. I will keep these handy. I will get rid of this stuff. And I will see about connecting them to something. Now here's another thing, of which there are many. It seems at some point I found a whole bunch of Dr. West's toothbrushes. And they're still all beautiful in the box, in the container. Various colors. Let's see how many there are. Just a second here. Was there more? By the way, I have no idea who Dr. West is. No clue at all. Well, it seems that I have, if I can pick them up nicely, which I don't know if I can. Ah! Maybe I can't. Well, it seems there are 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. 2 green, 2 orange, 2 blue, a yellow, and a beige. And these, I suspect, will at some point come in handy for brushing away at wayward computer things, which is probably why I got them. You know what? I'll toss them in there. Now here, this is always joyful, a bag. And in the bag, which I'm going to get rid of, we find an assortment of pens, pencils, and some sort of gum. Oh, you slide it. My hands are kind of dirty. Excuse me. I think that too. Not surprisingly. It's past its prime. So now, as I look around here, well, here's something maybe I can test this on. As I look around here, look! It's some Starfrit 4P silicone utensil set. Now, oh, how long has that been down there? I don't know. I just don't know. Will not burn. Will not melted. Dishwasher safe. I will take these down. Oh, there's another. There's more twist ties. I will take these down to the kitchen. I will clean them, and I will see if they will end up being a welcome addition to the kitchen. If not, yeah, I'll do something else. Anyway, while I'm here, and while I have this thing that is sort of cardboard and paper stuff, shows I can test things a bit. It's hard to not have a pencil work if it's got some sharpness to it. Here are some pens. From the Best Western. They seem, or that one seems to. See, this really isn't the best thing to try this on because it has a smooth surface to it. Kind of not like paper. And it's, and I just dropped the cap. But they do seem to work so far. Even though this is not the best surface, they do seem to work. And here is a popping pencil. Ooh, from the Geek Squad. That is the Best Buy people that supposedly do computer things. This one, I don't have much hope for this. I think I've had other ones like this, and they mostly, well, they work. And what is this magical thing? It's, well, if I unscrew it, well, it's a pen. It certainly is pretty. Oh, it's from Earl Haig Secondary School. And it even works. Lovely. So they all seem to be okay. This I can be rid of. Another, oh look, I found a quantity of wood screws, 1.5 inches. Now, are they likely to be handy for any of the computer stuff I do? Well, no, they don't. But around the house, you never know, and they sell them. Not really, a few at a time, but I guess this is like 110. Why not 100? I don't know. Maybe it's just the size of the container. Maybe it's by weight. Or supposed weight. Let's see if I can get one out. They have Robertson heads. There they are. They would be handy for some outdoor projects. Perhaps I will take that down. Put it in a lower cupboard. Ah, yes, here. I'll put this in a box because I'm probably never going to find a reason for it. But I have it. And who knows, somebody at some point might say, oh, I gotta have that. In the old days, when you would get things, not so long ago, there would be a CD with them. And that would have all the drivers and things and stuff. Oh, what's this? It's another pen. And it says David. It's running a lot of pens. When you get them kind of warmed up, they might do better. Not bad. Anyway, oh, by the way, the starfruit thing, before I forget. Look, it's a spoon. It's kind of a... Oh, I know the name. It's not a spatula. It's like a thing for cleaning out the bowl. Oh, here's a bigger one. And it's a brush. Look at that. To paint things with things like butter, I suppose. Anyway, another thing I found was a tape put together long ago by the people of Apsu. No justice, no peace. In other words, it's from 1996. A whole bunch of labor-friendly songs. I believe this was the time that the Union of Apsu was treating their own workers so poorly that not the people in the union, but the people who worked for the people in the union. Is that right? There's a union of people that work for the union, and then there's the union that the union works for, or the members that the union works for. So you're not a member of the union if you work for the union. You're a member of the union of the people that works for the union. Anyway, that wasn't going so well. So the people who ended up working for the union ended up going on strike. And that is not good. It's not good when a union is mistreating or not treating or not being fair with the people who work for them, and the people who work for them are there to look out for the people who work for other unions. That's part of their thing. Anyway, you understand, perhaps. This is a cassette that is like a tape. It has like fabric in it. It doesn't have tape. So I'm going to put this in the box of Vic-20 tapes and things. So it's basically a head cleaner. And here we have, what else do we have? Oh, it's another toothbrush. Here we have a bag of Q-tips. Q-tips, I say. Boy, that bag is really shining in the light. Anyway, a bag of Q-tips. They are always handy for cleaning heads and things. And here, just recently, I was at a thrift store, but this was not part of it. But I did find a glue gun kit, and I thought, ooh, a glue gun kit. Somewhere I have one of those. Well, guess what? I found the missing glue gun. It's a little one. I've never opened it. I've never tested it. And I don't even know if it comes with any glue. But anyway, the kit I found, low temperature. Oh, low temperature for bonding delicate materials. Anyway, I will have to see. I'll have to look and see if that is suitable to go with the other stuff that I got. Well, this stuff can go. This stuff can go. And I will distribute things that I'll take out and see if I want to use it on the barbecue. I do have here a cup that has pins and pens, so I'll throw these in here and put the tape back in. Oh, I shall. So yeah, I'll distribute things throughout the house, including this tape. It's funny, it says on the back, Star Gemini. But I know when I open this up, and the box is open, it's a typewriter ribbon, or an old typewriter. But some printers did use them. So I'm going to put this actually downstairs in the pet room, and I'll tuck it inside the old printer that we have. And yeah, and maybe the next time I'm here, I'll try to put on these nerd things. Perfect nerd things. And of course, you could never have too many Santa hats. This one I like. It has a thicker white brim to it. It does. I'm hoping my dirty hands did not do anything to that. Anyway, but I don't have a microphone. I have a microphone here. I have a microphone over here. Hello, hello. But it's not this microphone. This microphone is fake. Anyway, the basement is an adventure. There has been some kind of water issues at some point. Not like permanent. Just I think there was I know there was a quick, momentary flooding disaster. Not horrible, but anyway, I didn't know where all the water ended up. Now I know better. So I am started to figure, etc. And anyway, but some things definitely. Nothing Commodore yet. Well, yeah, there was a couple of Commodore sports bags that I had. They're ruined. There's no hope. No hope. So be it. All right. Well, I will return to the basement. I'm certainly going to get some stuff out for recycling. And I don't know if it's garbage. We only get garbage every couple of weeks. But certainly there's some stuff like the 2 Commodore bags that are toast. And there is recycling and stuff. Anyway, I will distribute some of this stuff to where it should be. I'll put it in this little bin. So I know I've got it all together. Santa can stay. This I actually have a tape player of all things. I'll put that down by that. And I'll continue. But I tell you, keeping the momentum up is tough because it's slow going down there. Yes, I have too much stuff. But finding this flood stuff is depressing. It is. Anyway, I will keep at it. So thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned. You never know what I will find next. I don't know what I'm going to find next. Until we meet again. Bye for now.